We have tried to give a test to these three birds. So actually the one in the middle is the first bird that we have, and then we get another bird, two new birds, to try how they will interact with each other, especially since they have only two spaces for seem like a room or space for each of them, but they are three, so we'd like to see how they will react to the situations. And look, they have good division of space, so instead of occupying the two space there, so they just rather stay outside and sleep outside. Nice bird, nice.